Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through a simple and updated guide on how to unblock a number on WhatsApp. If you've blocked someone in the past and decided it's time to let them back into your contact list, this step-by-step process will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's begin with the first step. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the updated version of the app to avoid any small changes in layout or settings. Once the app is open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 small dots. Tap on those dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you see the option for Privacy. This is where you can manage who can reach you, who can see your details, and of course, who is blocked from contacting you. Tap on Privacy to continue. Now, find the section for your contacts. Inside Privacy, there's an option called Blocked Contacts. Tap on this to open your blocked list. Here, you'll see all the numbers and contacts you currently have blocked. To unblock someone, simply tap on the name or number you want to remove from the list. After selecting it, an option will pop up allowing you to unblock. Go ahead and choose Unblock. That contact will immediately be able to call, message, and see your WhatsApp updates again. It's really that simple. Now that you've unblocked the number, the person will not be notified directly by WhatsApp, but they will be able to reach out to you just like before. You have full control over your list, so you can always update it whenever you need. Remember, blocking and unblocking are tools designed to give you more control over your personal space and communication. If you ever feel the need to block a number again, you can return to the same steps. Likewise, when you're ready to unblock, just repeat this exact process. That's all you need to know about unblocking a number on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.